Everyone, welcome to Elliottwave.com YouTube channel. Today is June the 30th, and we're looking at the pound yen 60 minutes time frame, our chart of the day for today. We are calling for more upside extension, as we can see right here. Completed this with 4, and now looking to finish with 5 higher to the upside. Still turning up, meaning the shorter time frame, the 1 hour is not really, the sequence has not been turning bullish just yet. And the reason is simple, because it has not confirmed by breaking above that previous peak, which should be the previous wave 3 high, right? So until that happens, we can always, continue to chop around or even doing a double correction. So if I zoom out, right, this is the daily time frame. So we can see right here that we ended with 4 here. So if we take a look here, this is 4, right? This is 4. So you can think of this as a 5 ways up from here, right? So it's, to be honest, it's kind of sideways. It is sideways, right? Could be triangle, could be many different things. And until it breaks above this peak, we could potentially still even do something like this, even though that's not our base case, but that cannot be ruled out since we have not gotten the confirmation of validation by breaking above the previous peak. Okay, so until then, the bias is higher. I mean, there's no reason to be bearish because you can see every single time is going to, is continue to extend to the upside. So again, there is no reason to be bearish in the pair, even though yes, a double correction is possible. But for now, we're calling the more aggressive view for the upside, as long as it stays above 212. After we finish this, like this, 5 ways up from here, then we can get a bigger pullback to correct this cycle, at least to correct this cycle, and then higher again to continue higher. Okay, so that's the idea, guys. Yeah, so it's kind of sideways still, and still needs more confirmation before we can have validation and conviction that the next leg higher has truly started. All right, so if you want to get more updates on the pound yen or any other Forex commodities indices, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial and the link is in the description of the video. So I'll see you all again next time and have a nice day, everyone.